In this section, we will talk about treating insomnia in pregnancy, older adults, and long-term use of hypnotic medication. Sleep disturbance is very common in pregnancy. Both Z-drugs and benzodiazepines cross the placental barrier, but also could be associated with preterm birth and low birth weight. Doxylamine is commonly used for nausea, and multiple reviews have found that it is safe and not associated with birth defects. Ultimately, treatment selection should be based on shared decision-making in pregnancy and should involve a careful risk versus benefit analysis. Doxylamine remains first-line choice for insomnia in pregnancy that has not responded to non-pharmacological strategies. Among other medications, trazodone, doxepin, ramelteon are potential low-risk options. Continuation of previously effective hypnotic after careful risk-benefit discussion is ideal as compared to starting a new medication during pregnancy. In older adults, effective pharmacotherapy for insomnia is complicated by several factors. In older adults, there could be increased sensitivity to side effects of medications, interference with multiple comorbidities that are more likely, decreased drug metabolism and clearance, medication interactions. In addition, in older adults, benzodiazepines can potentially increase the risk of falls, confusion, and cognitive issues. For the treatment of insomnia in the elderly, in clinical practice, doxepin, mirtazapine, dual orexin receptor antagonists, and trazodone are reasonable first-line options in older adults. If these are ineffective, zolpidem extended release at 6.25 milligrams and S-sopicolone at 1 to 2 milligrams are considered next options. In terms of the duration of treatment or long-term use of hypnotics, while insomnia is a chronic condition, guidelines for the treatment previously recommended only short-term medication use. S-sopicolone is unique in that its FDA label does not specify a limited duration of use. Low-dose doxepin and dual orexin receptor antagonists are also approved without any duration limits. Ramelteon also has data supporting long-term efficacy. The key points for this section include sleep disturbances during pregnancy are extremely common. Behavioral strategies are the first-line treatment for insomnia in this population. Doxylamine is the safest pharmacological agent to use to treat sleep problems during pregnancy. Doxepin, mirtazapine, DORAs, and trazodone are reasonable first-line options in older adults. Insomnia is a chronic condition. Therefore, many patients may require long-term treatment. Data indicate that S-sopicolone, doxepin, DORAs, and ramelteon continue to remain effective with long-term use.